Hey, what's up? It's Caesar, and we're going to be talking to you in the streets of Los Angeles. This is Pivot on the Street. Do you know when Earth Day is?
April 22nd? April 22nd.
April 20th, yes. Do you recycle?
I do.
What do you recycle?
Plastic.
Cardboard.
Bottles, cans.
Cans, bottles, paper.
Do you worry about climate change?
Yeah, definitely.
I do, yeah.
Yeah, totally. Global warming and whatnot.
There's just been so many drastic changes in the weather lately.
What is something that you need to do less of to help the planet?
Drive, I guess.
Taking shorter showers.
I use a lot of paper.
How long do you take in the shower?
I want to say 15 minutes, but that's a lie, like an hour.
Use less water, especially because we're in a drought right now.
Do you dance in the shower?
I perform in the shower. Full choreography, like revival of Madonna Blonde Ambition tour, like...
Where's the breakdance though? What are you doing? What is this? What is happening? All right, good, thank you.